Seven, I was told what the new movement was last week. Am I allowed to say what it was?
Sure, yes. You mean from
Brian,
21 point? You mean from 22.1?
Yeah, Brian, do you know what it is?
How did you hear? How did you find out what it was?
I can't say.
Yeah, of course you can say what it is. Tell me, what is it?
Shuttle runs instead of box jumps.
I suspect that you might be right.
Well, that would be interesting. And I guess they didn't list that you needed any space to traverse on the equipment list. And I thought that they didn't do that because they were trying to make it things that people could do in their garage, basically, if they couldn't get into a gym. So if that was supposed to be on there, then that's one thing. But then they obviously made that decision prior to releasing the equipment list.
Did you hear that? So, did you hear what it was? What replaced it? Which one of the movements replaced it?
I thought of the box jumps.
Right.
I thought it was. So I think it was Dave's idea, and then the shuttle run got changed with box jumps because they didn't. I guess they either didn't like Dave's workout or they changed it once the whole thing happened at Waterplooza, which is very not the same as this situation.
Yeah, it is fascinating that is what was taken out of Waterplooza too, and that was taken out because of the weather, right? Because
that had nothing.
Hey man, I programmed a workout last week at the gym that had shuttle runs in it, and it was brutal. It was tough.
I think it would have been very cool. That was the new element that I heard about.
And that's never been in the open before, shuttle runs?
No, yeah, that would have been something new for sure.
And I stand by what I said that that's not a subtle change. That's not a small change.
No,
box jumps and shuttle runs are completely different. I think I think it's lying to say that it's a small change.
I mean, look, I had talked about it last week that there was a lack of monostructural testing by the CrossFit's definition available by the omission of the rower. So jump rope would be, the only thing you could really do that fits that criteria. And that I thought they might be trying to make the box jump over like an aerobic movement, even though it classifies as gymnastics movement. Yeah. And so that makes sense, I guess, if they were going to replace something that was classically monostructural running with something that feels that way, I guess, box jump over.